how to download all attachments on Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can download all attachments on Gmail. So this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to log in into your Gmail account, and then once you've done that, go ahead and open the email with the attachment. All right, so just go ahead and locate the email. Then once you've done that, the next step will be for you to tap on the arrow next to the attachment and select download all attachment. So for me, I only have one attachment here. That's why I'm just clicking on the download option. But for you, if you have multiple attachments in an email, you will see an arrow next to the attachment. So select it, and by selecting it, a list of options will be displayed. Ensure you select download all attachments from this option, and then the attachments will be downloaded as a zip file. Now once it's downloaded as a zip file, the next step would be for you to open the zip file and then extract the files to your desired location. So it's that simple. So this way you'll be able to download all attachments at once without any stress. So thank you for watching and have a good day.